The manner in which he was walking made me want to double up. I wanted to shriek with laughter at the sight of such a big man carrying a small parcel in that fashion. I guessed there was something like vadai or green banana bhaji in the packet because the wrapping paper was stained with oil. He was holding out the packet by its string without really touching any part of the parcel itself. I stood there thinking to myself, if he holds it like that, won't the package come undone and the vadais fall out? The elder went straight up to the landlord, bowed low, and extended the packet towards him. Cupping the hand that held the string with his other hand, Naker opened the parcel and began to eat the vadais. Dear students, in the manner in which the man was walking made the narrator to laugh loudly. A big man carrying a small parcel in such a manner. The narrator guessed there was something like vadai or green banana bhaji in the parcel. You know the meaning of both vadai and banana bhaji. Both are snacks. Because the stain of oil was there in the wrapping paper, the oil of the snacks spread on the wrapping paper too. The narrator thought that if the man carry the parcel in such a way that will be undone on the way and the vadais fall out. The elder went straight up to the landlord, bowed low and extended the packet towards him, and he cut the string with his other hand. The Naker opened the parcel and began to eat the vadais. After I had watched all this, I went home. My elder brother was there. I told him the story in all its comic detail. I felt about the laughter at the memory of a big man and an elder at that, making such a game out of carrying the parcel. But Annan was not amused. Annan told me the man wasn't being funny when he carried the package like that. He said everybody believed that Nakers were upper caste and therefore must not touch anything touched by pariahs. If they did, they would be polluted. That is why he had to carry the package by its string. Dear students, after watching this scene, she went home and explained the things to her elder brother in all its comic detail. Actually, she could not understand why the man was carrying the snacks in such a manner. She considered it as a fun, but the elder brother explained the fact to her. He said everybody believed that Nakes were upper caste and therefore must not touch anything touched by pariahs, the lower caste. If they did, they would be polluted. If they touched, the things would be polluted. That is why he had to carry the package by its string. When I heard this, I didn't want to laugh anymore and I felt terribly sad. How could they believe that it was disgusting if a pariah held that package in his hands? Even though the vadai had been first wrapped in a banana leaf and then parceled in paper. I felt so provoked and angry that I wanted to go and touch those wretched vadais myself straight away. Why should we fetch and carry for these people? I wanted. Such an eminent elder of ours goes off meekly to the shops to fetch snacks and hands them over reverently, bowing and shrinking, to this fellow who just sits there and stuffs them into his mouth. The thought of it infuriated me. How was it that these fellows thought so much of themselves? Was it because they had scrapped 4 coins together? Dear students, when the narrator realized the facts from her brother, she did not want to laugh anymore and she felt very sad. How could the rich people believe that the parcel was polluted if a Pariah held that package in his or her hands, even though the snacks had been first wrapped in a banana leaf and then parceled in a paper. She felt much angry on the gentle behavior of an elder person of her caste to go and buy snacks for the upper caste knacker and hands them over respectfully to him, who just sits there and stuffs them into his mouth. This thought made the narrator extremely angry. The narrator asks how these fellows thought so much of themselves. Were they proud of their money? She asked what did it mean when they called them pariah. Dear students, the meaning of pariah in Malayalam is onion. But she says pariahs are also human beings. According to the narrator, the pariahs should not run for the task of these nakeds.